Imagine this. You have spent years mastering your IT skills, climbing the corporate ladder, and suddenly artificial intelligence takes over your job. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But here is the shocking truth. It's already happening. From coding to data analysis, AI is stepping into the roles we once thought that were untouchable. But don't panic just yet. By the end of this video, you will not only know which jobs are at risk, but also how to future-proof your career. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. The first job at risk is software developers and programmers. Yes, you heard that right. Tools like GitHub's Copilot and ChatGPT are already writing code faster than humans. According to a 2023 report by GitHub, developers using AI tools complete tasks 55% faster than those who don't. While AI can't replace the creativity and problem-solving skills of a senior developer, it is making entry-level coding jobs obsolete. So, how can you stay ahead? Here is what you can do to make sure AI works for you, not against you. Number 1. Master system design and scalable architecture. While AI can generate code, but designing robust, scalable, and secure systems still requires human expertise. So focus on distributed systems, cloud-native architectures, and microservices. Number 2. Become proficient in AI-assisted development. Learn how to use AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot, AWS Code Whisperer, or Tab9 to speed up your workflow while maintaining critical thinking and debugging skills. Number 3. Expand into agile, AI-proof domains. Upskill in high-growth areas like blockchain, quantum computing, or augmented reality and virtual reality. Next on the list, quality assurance testers. AI is now automating software testing, identifying bugs, and even predicting potential issues before they can happen. According to Gartner, AI-based test automation reduces 70 to 80% of manual effort in test case creation and execution. Here is another mind-blowing stat. A typical manual tester spends 2 hours writing a single test case. But AI does it in seconds, generating 100 test cases in seconds, and also catching the edge test cases even humans miss. Doesn't mean the end of QA jobs. Here is how you can stay relevant in the AI-driven testing world. Learn AI-powered testing tools like Selenium with AI, Testim, or Applitools. Upskill in other testing areas like performance testing, security testing, or exploratory testing, areas where AI still struggles. Or become an expert in AI testing itself by mastering frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch for AI model testing. Job number 3. Data analysts. AI-powered tools like Tableau and Power BI are automating data visualization and analysis. A McKinsey report found that 60% of data-related tasks can be now automated using AI. Why hire a human to crunch numbers when AI can do it in seconds? So, does that mean data analysts are due? Not quite. Here is how you can future-proof your career. Number 1. Transition into data science and machine learning roles where human expertise is critical. Also, learn advanced analytics tools like Python or SQL for complex data modeling. And finally, focus on business intelligence and decision-making skills where AI can't replicate. Next up, IT support and help desk roles. Chatbots and AI-powered support systems are handling customer queries faster and more efficiently than humans. According to IBM, 70% or more of IT support queries are now handled by AI-driven chatbots, reducing the need for human agents. Companies are cutting costs by automating repetitive tasks like password resets and troubleshooting. If you are in IT support, don't panic. Here is how you can pivot into roles that AI can't easily replace. Shift to cloud IT support or cybersecurity roles where AI has limited impact. Learn AI chatbot development using Microsoft Bot Framework or Dialogflow. Upskill in IT infrastructure management or AI systems training to stay relevant. Last but not least, network administrators. AI is optimizing network performance, predicting failures, and even automating routine maintenance tasks. A Cisco report revealed that AI-driven network management tools reduce downtime by up to 50% and improve efficiency by automating repetitive tasks. So, what's next step for network admins? Here is how you can stay valuable in AI era. Specialize in cloud networking to stay ahead. Learn AI-driven network security tools to protect against AI-powered cyber threats. Focus on network architecture design, a skill AI can't replicate. So, are you safe? The answer is it depends. Artificial intelligence is here to stay, and it's reshaping the IT industry faster than ever. But here is the good news. You can future-proof your career by focusing on the skills that AI can't replicate, like creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem solving. Drop a comment below. Which IT job do you think is most at risk from AI? And hey, if you have a friend working in any of these roles, share this video with them. They might need to hear this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to IT Insider for more insight into world of IT. See you in the next one.